You're kind of quiet. What's going on?
Says I just hang out.
Maybe. Let's find any toys. A block.
It's not a block, that's a cross. A plus sign?
How about a ball?
That's a ball. I meant the purple one.
You want this?
Joy, are you having a good time? Joy, are you having a good time?
He's like, who is this weird person holding me?
Nah, I think he's having a good time.
We got a circle and a ball. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
You have skills.
Is that cool?
Look, Joe, it matches your outfit.